and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today, another installment of houseplant terms. Today's term is amendment. So what is an amendment when it comes to growing houseplants? An amendment is anything you would add to the soil to help your houseplants grow better, more quickly, more vigorously, healthier. So some common amendments are worm castings, also things like pumice that helps with drainage. I do have videos on both of those amendments. Another amendment you can use is coffee grounds. I have a video on that as well. So that is what an amendment is. It's a little bit different than fertilizer. Fertilizer is nutrients for the plant, while they also do add to the soil. They're more nutrients for the plants. Amendments are essentially nutrients and good things for the soil, to feed the soil, to give the soil a different structure, such as with pumice, to help it become more easily draining. So that is what amendments are for your houseplants. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell when you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.